really going, Papa?
Yes! To Grandma's village!
Finally! I love this road. Wake me up at Grandma's.
My darlings, you're finally here.
Grandma!
I missed you so much.
I missed you too, Grandma. Race you inside!
Leo, wait for us. Eat well, my loves.
Try that one, it's ready. Got it!
Best mangoes in the world.
This tree is older than your mother.
I wish summer never ended.
Some summers stay with us forever.
Come on, it's so cold! That's not helping.
Ready for a ride?
Yes! Me first!
Come on, let's feed the animals.
They're waiting for us. He likes me. Help! It's chasing me! Look! They're glowing!
Fireflies love summer nights. Careful, Grandma. I've climbed this ladder for 60 years. Whose trunk is this, Grandma? It belonged to my mother. Grandma, what is this? I haven't seen this in years.
What does this symbol mean?
It marks something in the old forest. Grandma, are you okay? I forgot this place existed.
Let's find it together, Grandma.
Together, then.
The trail starts here.
Let's go, let's go! Is it safe, Papa?
Don't worry, I've got you.
I think it's this way.
Good eyes, my dear.
I used to play here as a girl. It's beautiful, Mom.
This matches the map exactly.
I remember this archway now.
What's on the other side, Grandma?
Something I never forgot.
Whoa, it's real.
This was my secret place. It's still beautiful, Mom.
Higher, Papa, higher!
This swing is older than me.
What's inside, Grandma?
Let's find out together. This is my old diary.
It's like finding a piece of you.
This was our family's favorite place.
Tell us more, Grandma.